today's topic of discussion is about, imperialist power in European countries, conservative regime. It was it on its peak, and most of the, you can say countries, they were under imperialistic power. But after, 1848, clear, means European countries, they had brought, industrial revolution, and it has shattered these imperialist power. Okay, there was a Frederick painter, a French painter. His name was Frederick Soriot. In 1848, he gave series of paintings related to nationalistic feeling, nationalism, right? So this man, he was great painter, and his ideas, means whatever painting he made, it depicted a, vast idea that had developed nationalism in Europe. Clear? According to his painting, in this painting it shows people of Europe and America. ठीक है? इस पेंटिंग में there is स्टैचू ऑफ लिबर्टी. ठीक है? एक जगह पे स्टैचू ऑफ लिबर्टी है. ठीक है? एंड पीपल्स ऑफ अमेरिका एंड जर्मनी. ठीक है? दीज पीपल एंड यूरोप एंड अमेरिका के लोग जो है, इसमें मैन एंड वुमेन ऑफ ऑल सोशल क्लासेस, दे आर कमिंग विद अ पीपल्स ट्रेन. ठीक है? मीन्स दे आर कमिंग टू पे होमेज टू द स्टैचू ऑफ लिबर्टी. लिबर्टी मीन्स फ्रीडम. ठीक है? स्टैचू ऑफ लिबर्टी. They have made a people's train. All European countries, including Germany, which was already divided into 18 federal states, it was not united. Unification of Germany was not there. Okay? Still, this country, it was under sentiment of nationalism, and it followed this path. And everybody, they tried to come to Statue of Liberty, which had given them a special offer of democratic government. ठीक है? Means they had uprooted monarchy rule, imperialist power is shattered. Clear? In this picture you will see the remains at the bottom. ठीक है? You have seen ruins. इसमें कुछ ruins दिखाई दे रहे हैं. ठीक है? They are remains of imperialist power, that is monarchy rule. Most of the monarchy rule, they had been shattered, and people had developed democratic, that is constitutional democracy in their country, especially in France. After 1789, they had developed constitutional democracy, and this country, it has, set up absolutist institution. Absolutist institution was set up, right? What is absolutist institution? Clear? It has a very vivid definition. Clear? Means here a government or system of government that has restraint on the power. ठीक है? Exercised. ठीक है? Means क्या है कि the system of government, they have got, special power. They had their personal monopoly. ठीक है? Means they had unrestricted power. ठीक है? तो इसकी वजह से क्या हुआ कि जो है ये एब्सोल्यूटिस्ट इंस्टीट्यूशंस जो थे, ठीक है, दे वर शाटर्ड रिमेन्स. एब्सोल्यूटिस्ट इंस्टीट्यूशन मीन्स मोनार्ची रूल, एंड एट मेनी प्लेसेस देयर वर मिलिट्री रूल. ठीक है? एंड इन सम प्लेसेस देयर वर, रिलीजियस रूल. अंडरस्टैंड? दे वर एब्सोल्यूटिस्ट इंस्टीट्यूशन बिकॉज दे हैड अनरिस्ट्रिक्टेड पावर. ठीक है? दे हैड स्ट्रॉन्ग, यू कैन से, डिक्टेटरशिप in their country. Okay? Yes. That was monarchy rule. It was shattered, and this one also depict that people of Germany, people of France, with their tricolor, okay, and with their costume, with their, hat, special hat, Parisian cap, okay, they were coming, and they had paid their homage because they had attained constitutional democracy. They had attained, democratic constitution in their country, and it had, limited the power of monarchy rule, and in most of the country it had been uprooted. Clear? So here utopian vision has been seen. Utopian vision. Okay? Utopian vision. Utopian vision क्या हो गया? An ideal society. ठीक है? an ideal society, okay, which is not possible, which is not possible in reality. This is your simple definition. In reality, okay, what kind of ideal society it is? Where there is no problem, people have every type of freedom, people have their own rule, okay, they are making their own policy, means all these are called utopian vision, okay. We have decided what we imagine, that was came here, okay. That was utopian vision, but in reality it was not possible, okay, because of conservative regime. European society actually was under influence of radicals, liberals and conservatives, right? And finally conservatives were stronger, but after Russian Revolution conservative regimes were shattered, clear, because they were blind supporter of monarchy rule, conservatives, right? That was it was totally eradicated from Europe, and finally European countries under industrial revolution, they had developed their own system of government, and they are still becoming one of the greatest economy, clear. And here you have got many things that is related to your these in 1848 they are talking about Germany. It was divided into 18 federal states, okay? It was not unified, but it had participated in that procession, clear. So here a concept of nation state came, okay? Nation state means nation state, that is a particular state in which citizen will take decision, okay? It is citizen that will take decision. Such type of nation is called nation state, okay? There is no monarchy, no, not any regime, not any dictatorship, there is total democracy, clear. That is your nation state. And here there was this nation state was set up on the basis of plebiscite, okay? Plebiscite means the direct vote to reject or accept a proposal, ठीक है. हमारा plebiscite क्या होता है? It is a kind of direct vote in which we can accept or reject a proposal, right? So you can define it a direct vote, ठीक है, by which we can write down accept or reject. Okay, very good. Proposal. Okay. Okay, if it is completed, you continue for revision.
Yes, sir.
आपका रिवीजन होता रहेगा. तो इस तरीके से you have understood the concept of Ernest Renan. ठीक है. He was one of the historian. He had made his proper arguments on freedom and liberty. He defined nation state. ठीक है. He also defined what is liberty, what should be a real liberty. ठीक है. How a nation state should run, how a nation state rule on itself. ठीक है. Means nation state rules on itself by following a procedure of plebiscite. ठीक है. Means they had developed you can say liberty, means he thought that European countries they must enjoy liberty. ठीक है. It will become a real nation when there would be liberty, decisions can be taken by individual. ठीक है. Common people, they will take decision and they will discuss before taking decision. ठीक है. ये आते अर्नेस्ट रेनन की पॉलिसी. उसके बाद आता है द फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन एंड द आइडिया ऑफ द नेशन स्टेट. ठीक है. आफ्टर फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन, द फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन इन यूरोपियन कंट्री, इट हैड ब्रॉट a strong string, ठीक है, a strong wave. It has started a strong wave of nationalism because it was the first country after US independence. USA was independent in 1784. and just after 5 years, France became independent in 1789. Okay? So it had a taste of democracy. They had studied, Louis, you can say Louis 16. He helped, this man, Louis 15, his father.
Yes,
okay?
sir.
He helped Americans to win freedom from Britain. Clear? They had involved in various, wars activities. 7 years war they had, faced. And finally, when Louis 16 came on the throne, he found the treasury vacant. There was no, you can say exchange in the treasury. That's why he had levied tax, and it was a major cause of French Revolution. You had studied in class 9th standard. Okay. Now here we will try to understand how people, they had developed collective belongingness. This is very important thing.
Yes, sir.
The concept of collective belongingness, that is very important.
Yes.
And this question is generally asked in third examination. Concept of collective belongingness. Take among common citizen. ठीक है? Common citizen में ये collective belongingness came after French Revolution or during French Revolution. ठीक है? They had given the concept of ली citoyen. ठीक है? ली citoyen और एक ली पैट्री. ठीक है? ली citoyen means we are citizen of France. Citizen of, ठीक है? Say France. ठीक? And ली पैट्री, it is our fatherland. Clear? This idea was becoming stronger and stronger during French Revolution. People became, confirmed. People became motivated with these two ideas that it is your fatherland and you are citizen of France. Okay? This sentiment became stronger and stronger, and French Revolution became violent and violent. Understand? And finally they, exploded Bastille prison, and that was the main incidence of French Revolution. Clear? So why this came? Because of this collective belongingness. If this collective belongingness was not there, then French Revolution could not possible. Understand? During this, there was some more. A new French flag was designed. Okay? New French flag to raise the sentiments. New French flag. French flag was designed. ठीक? Right? उसके बाद martyrs were commemorated. ठीक है? जितने भी शहीद थे उनको याद किया जाने लगा, उनको माल्यार्पण किया जाने लगा जगह जगह पे. उनको याद किया गया, उनको होमेज पे किया गया. ठीक है? It raised the sentiment. It raised the nationalistic feeling in France. Understand? And finally, French people, they became more and more, stronger towards nationalism. And the idea of nationalist, idea of nation state, it became more and more stronger. And French Revolution became very quick. People became enraged. And they had started, raising their voice. अपनी आवाज़ उठाने लगे लोग. और उसके बाद जब वहाँ ब्रेड राइट हुआ था, उसी समय वहाँ पे रूमर्स फैला, एंड फाइनली पीपल्स डेवलप्ड पीपल्स मिलिटिया, एंड दे मूव्ड टूवर्ड्स बास्टाइल प्रिजन. आफ्टर दैट they collected every type of arms and ammunition from government buildings and exploded Bastille prison. This was French Revolution. समझ में आया? तो ये क्या है, कहाँ से आया ये सब आइडिया? कलेक्टिव बिलोंगिंगनेस से. अंडरस्टैंड द आइडिया ऑफ कलेक्टिव बिलोंगिंगनेस. इसी से हमारा नेशन स्टेट और ये सारी कॉन्सेप्ट्स बहुत अच्छी तरह से क्लियर हो जाती हैं, ठीक है। फिर एक सेंट्रलाइज्ड एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव सिस्टम वाज पुट इन प्लेस ऑफ फॉर्मुलेटेड यूनिफॉर्म लॉज फॉर ऑल सिटीजन। एक सेंट्रलाइज्ड एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, ठीक है, एक था सेंट्रलाइज्ड एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, क्लियर। सेंट्रलाइज्ड एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन वाज डेवलप्ड। सेंट्रलाइज्ड एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन क्या होता है? सेंट्रलाइज्ड एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन मीन्स अ पार्टिकुलर लीडर, ठीक है, अंडर हिज लीडरशिप गवर्नमेंट वाज फॉर्म, ठीक है। एंड एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, एक पार्टिकुलर लीडर, उस समय कौन सा लीडर काफ़ी फेमस था? ही वाज मैक्सिमिलियन रॉबस्पियर फ्रॉम जैकोबिन क्लब, ठीक है। वो इतना फेमस हो गया था कि उसकी लीडरशिप में एक सेंट्रलाइज्ड एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव सिस्टम वहाँ डेवलप हो गया, अंडरस्टैंड। एंड दिस ब्रॉट फ्रेंच रेवोल्यूशन, फ्रांस बिकेम अ नेशन स्टेट, क्लियर। सो व्हेन द न्यूज ऑफ इवेंट्स in France reached to Europe, so students and other members of educated middle classes began setting up Jacobin club. आपने पढ़ा था, ठीक है। इसी कलेक्टिव बिलोंगिंगनेस का रिजल्ट था कि लोग जैकोबिन क्लब के मेंबर्स बनने लगे। एंड स्लोली it has developed a huge membership, and finally they had declared themselves one of the constitutional democracy, ठीक है। and to limit the power of monarchy ruler, ठीक है, they had started campaign, clear। and they had you can say after you can say when the Bastille prison was stormed, they had arrested, you can say, Louis XVI, he was under their control, ठीक है। और लुइस 16 ने क्या किया? उसने एक ऑर्डर ऑफ डिक्री पास किया, उसमें जो है फ्यूडलिज्म वाज एबॉलिश्ड। लुइस 16 ने फ्यूडलिज्म को एकदम एबॉलिश कर दिया, एंड ही एक्सेप्टेड दैट वी विल फॉलो द लॉज एंड ऑर्डर्स ऑफ नेशनल असेंबली। एक नेशनल असेंबली बनी थी। हाँ, खड़े होकर पूछो। हाँ, बैठ जाओ। फ्यूडलिज्म बेटा, इट इज़ अ वेरी वास्ट कॉन्सेप्ट। एक्चुअली इन यूरोपियन कंट्रीज देयर वर टू टाइप्स ऑफ पीपल, लॉर्ड्स, एक होते थे लॉर्ड्स, ठीक, और इसके अंडर में जो होते थे वो सर्व्स होते थे, दे वर सर्व्स, ठीक है। दे वर रिच पीपल, ठीक है। एंड दिस सर्व्स, दे हैड टू डू देयर ऑड वर्क्स, they had to do their agricultural activities, they had to perform their manufacturing activities, ठीक है। and finally whatever they had produced, they had to submit everything to this man, understand। जो भी उन्होंने उगाया खेत में, अगर उन्होंने पोल्ट्री फार्मिंग किया है, अगर उन्होंने एनिमल हस्बेंड्री का काम चालू किया है, अगर उन्होंने क्या कहते हैं मतलब रेजिंग क्रॉप्स, सब कुछ ला के डिपॉजिट करना है, दैट वाज फ्यूडलिज्म, ठीक है। मतलब सबको लैंडलेस बना देते थे, देयर वाज ओनली लैंडलॉर्ड, ठीक है। ही हैड टू कीप एवरीबडी मूविंग, ठीक है, ऑन देयर इंस्ट्रक्शन, क्लियर। सो ऑल दिस कॉन्सेप्ट दे वर वन ऑफ द वे ऑफ फ्यूडलिज्म, और ये यूरोपियन कंट्रीज में, स्पेशली फ्रांस में काफ़ी पॉपुलर था। इट वॉज प्रिवलेंट इन फ्रांस, दैट्स वाई the peoples of people's militia, they declared that we will disobey this thing, we will not like, means we will not obey feudalism, and they had abolished this, and this 16 had to be clear. So this was the concept, clear। And along with this